Right. Data sufficiency or redundancy? 56 onwards. Data sufficiency. In how many days 2 men and 8 women can complete the work? So to answer this question, what data is required? We need efficiency ratio between men and women, that is one data. And also regarding total work, how many men can complete in how many days, or how many women complete in how many days. This is the second information required. If you have these two, then we can answer the question. Yes? Now let's see. 9 men and 6 women together can complete the same work in 14 2 by 7 days. Is this sufficient to answer the question? Come on. Because, tell me why. We have information regarding total work, but efficiency ratio between men and work is not there. So hence we cannot answer the question. Yes. Next. 6 men can complete the same piece of work in 30 days. Here also we have information regarding total work. 6 men can complete the work ante total work ane kada. So here also we have information regarding total work, but not relation between men and women. So answer cannot be done by using second also. Yes. If you use both the information, can you answer the question? Yes. Yes. 9 men and 6 women can complete the work in 14 2 by 7 days. M1D1 is equal to 6 men can do the work in 30 days. M2D2. If you use it, definitely we can calculate relation between men and women. Once we have that relation, we can convert entire data to only men or only women, whichever is required. Yes. And again, if you use M1D1, M2D2, can you answer the question or not? So what is answer for this question? Come on. Both are required. Yes. Right. Suppose in first information, 9 men and 6 women they said. If the information is 9 men or 6 women, now tell me, only one alone is sufficient to answer the question. When you have OR condition, 9 men efficiency is equal to 6 women. Can we conclude this? That means we have relation between men and women, and at the same time, according to this data, 9 men can complete the work in 14 2 by 7. We have information regarding total work also. Yes. Both informations are available. So using first itself, we can answer the question. Avuna? With a small change in place of AND, if we have OR condition, only one alone is sufficient to answer the question. Got it? Next. How many marks did Charlie obtain in mathematics? The average marks obtained by Charlie in 4 subjects mentioned as 63. Out of these 4 subjects, the required subject, is it there or not? Yes. So if you know other 3 subject marks, then we can answer it. So one alone is not. Average marks obtained by Charlie in English and maths are 48. Can we calculate sum of marks obtained by him? Yes. The average marks obtained by him in English and geography are 61. So here also English and geography, can we calculate sum? Yes. So can you answer the question by using first information? Can you answer the question by using second information? Why? Maths alone we want, then we need to have marks in either English or in geography. Yes. That information is not there. Using second information, what is that we can conclude? Second nunchi em cheppochu asala? We can calculate difference of marks obtained in maths and geography. That's what we can calculate, nothing more than that. Yes. So hence 1 alone is not sufficient, 2 alone is not sufficient. Can you get answer by using both? No. Answer. Neither one, not 2 sufficient to answer the question. Come on. Number of wallets sold by 5 stores during 4 months. Few values are missing and we need to calculate that. Yes. The number of wallets sold by store F decreased by 20% from March to July. March to July, and 50% from July to August. If the number of wallets sold by F in August was 42. What was the number of wallets sold by store F in March? Let's say in March it was 100%. Yes, March it was 100%. It decreases by 20% from March to July. Then in July 80%. And by 50% from July to August. 50% increase or decrease? Because earlier context they were talking about decrease, now also it is decrease. So in August it becomes 40%. And they mentioned it as 40% is equals to 42 number of wallets sold by F in March. That means 100% is how much? Correct? Observe the relation between 40 and 42. How much more we have? Come on. With respect to 40, 2 is? With respect to 40, 2 is 5%. Here also we have to add 5%. Answer? Why not? 5. Next. Number of wallets sold by store E decreased by 12% from April to June. What was the number of wallets sold by E in the month of? Come on. June. From April to June it decreases, correct? In the month of April, if it was 100%, in June it becomes 80. You don't need original value because you know that you need to calculate 88% of some stupid number. 88% should be a multiple of. Go to options. How many? 1. The respective ratio between total number of wallets sold by B in March and June together and the wallets sold by the same store in October was 13:6. If the number of wallets sold by B in October was 108, what was the number of wallets sold by B in March? Okay. It is mentioned that in October we have 108, correct? From the ratio, it is equal to how many parts? 6 parts. Then 1 part is equal to divided by 6. And 13 parts is data about wallets sold in March and June, correct? So if you calculate 13 parts here, that gives you wallets sold in March and June only. The question is about March. That means we need to subtract June wallets from this number. In the month of June, B June. That means minus 100, correct? 6. 1 time, 8 times. 18 into 13 ends with minus 100 ends with. Answer must end with how many? 1. Done. The total number of wallets sold by store D in March and April together is 35 more than that sold by B in April and July together. The number of wallets sold by B in July is 52. What is the number of wallets sold by D in April? Okay, now let's see here. Okay, B in July 52 they said, right? B in April and July. B in April, how much we have? 66 and July 52, both together 118. This is regarding B, right? Now that is compared with respect to D in March and April. D in March, how much you have? 97 and X, let us assume in April we have X. Okay, they said wallet sold in D is 35 more than B wallets. In B we have already 118 plus 35, both together it is 153. That must be equal to 97 plus X only. Then X is equal to, from this we need to subtract 97 only. Answer 56. Instead of 97, subtract 100, add 3 later. Had the number of wallets sold by store C in May been 80% more than what it actually sold, the average number of wallets sold by store C, E, F in May would have been 87. What is the actual number of wallets sold by store C in the month of May? Okay. Question is about store C May. 87 is average in the month of May. For C, E, F. So how many stores are there? For 3 stores, if the average is 87, sum is 3 times of it. 83s, 240, 7 threes, 240, 21, 261 is sum of wallet sold in the month of May from store C, E, F. Correct? May month. E and F both together. 189. If you subtract 189, you will get wallet sold by store C only. Yes or no? How much is this? Subtract 200, add 11 later. 72. Yes or no? Is this your final answer? No. This is going to be the average if wallet sold by store C in the month of May been increased by 80% of the actual. Correct? If the actual was 100%, after 80% increase it becomes 180%. So original are 100%. After increase, Amma, 180%. Can you tell me the ratio? 5:2. That means this is equal to 9 parts only. And original are 9. How many times is 72? 5 8 times. So original wallet sold are 40. Right, approximations. Which cube is this? To the power of 2 by 3, in the sense cube and by 3 gets cancelled. Finally what you will have? 7 square. How much is that? Right hand side how much is there? Minus, how much is that? 16, which is equal to root of x minus 40 only. Squaring on both sides. Right hand side you will have 256. Then x is equal to minus 40 goes to the other side, becomes plus 40. Answer 296. 6 minus 4, 2 square plus under root 50 plus already 11 plus 11. 92% value. Matladali 25 into 2 cube. 825s. 200 plus total, which is equal to 92%. Then 1% is by 92 and we want 100% value. Approximately how many 90s are there in numerator? Let's go with 8 multiplication. 8 9s, 72. 90 times is 720. 8 2 times 16. 720, 16, 736. Satisfied? Answer 800. There are 5 colleges affiliated to University X, namely A, B, C, D, E. The total number of students in college A is 22% of total number of students in University X. In college B, 28%. See, when you read this type of data, your eyes should look for not a percentage, not a fraction, not a ratio, but a number. Yes, 28, X, 2023, number is here. In the last line you have a number, right? So don't read the remaining data, just read the last line. Total number of students in college E, 1725. Okay, now we have A, B, C, D, E, which is 1725. Okay, last but one line. The respective ratio between total number of students in college D and number of students in college E is equal to 20-23 ratio. That means E value is 23 parts only. 1 part is equal to 1725 divided by 23. Correct? Yes? Okay. Let's take 7 times of the denominator. 7 20s, 7 3s, 140, 21. Apart from 161, how much is left in numerator? 11 and then 5, 115. 23 how many times? That means 1 part is equal to 75 only. And D it is 20 parts, which is equal to 15. Okay, last but one. The total number of students in college D is 3/7 of total number of students in college B. What is the fraction? 3 by, what is denominator? 7 parts. Numerator, that means B is equal to 7 parts, D is equal to 3 parts, correct? D is equal to 1500 in terms of parts. If 3 parts is 1500, 1 part, then B is equal to 7 parts, 7 500s, 3000. Okay, before that, total number of students in college B is 28% of total number of students in university X. That means this fellow is equal to 20. 1% value is 3500 divided by 28. Both numerator, denominator, 35, 28. 7, 500 by 4. Half and half. That means 1% value is 12,125. Total value is equal to 100%. Matladali. So total it is 12,500. Okay. Next, before that, number of students in college A is 22% of total number of students in university X. Total how many are there? 20%. 2000. 2%. Total 27. How will you get C value? From 12,500, sum of remaining values must be subtracted. Let's do it. 3,500 plus 1,500. Round figure, forget about it. 5,000 plus 1,000. 6,000 plus 2,000. 8,000 round figure, forget about it. Now, 750 plus 725. 1475. Already we have 8,000 plus 1475. 9475. Last 3 digits 025 and then first digit 3. 3025. Yes, this is 3025. Once you have all the details, Matladru, can you or should I? Can you do it or should I explain? Is it a free question? No, we have to calculate. Yes, 20 can be written as 4 into 5, right? 9 into 5. Other number, combination minus 45 minus 4. Factors are plus 45 plus 4. That's it. By coefficient of x square. 56 can be written as 7 into 8. Minus 7 minus 8 is a combination. Factors are 7 comma 8. Correct? Now, 45 by 9. 4 by 9 is less than 1, right? And y values are more than 5, more than 1, x less than y. Is it a free? 16 15s. 240. Yes. So 240. 12 20s, no. 8 30s, no. 640s. This can be written as 640 times. Minus 6 minus 40 is minus 46. Come on. 640 by 16. Right? Next. Here also this is 240. Matladali. 830s, no. 542, no. 15 16 times, right? Paina only the combination. Minus 15 minus 16 is the combination. Factors are plus 15 plus 16 divided by 6. Okay. 6 by 16, that is first of all less than 1. I don't want to write it. Is that okay? 40 by 16 in the sense 16 2 times and half. Matladali. 15 by 6 2 and half. 16 by 6 2 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3, correct? If it is less than 1 and y values are 2 1 by 3, 2 2 by 3, x is less than y. Come on. What condition is this? And what condition is this? X less than or equal. Over. Divided by 4. Half and half. What is half? 90. 92. Again half. 40 into, that is 10 times and half only. 460 half. Can we verify last digit? No. 2 options are ending with 0.9, 3 options are ending with 0.1, correct? Can we verify last 2 digits? Yes. After decimal, let me first calculate that. 0.68, 0.22. 0.2 plus 2. That means left hand side it is ending with 4.9. If it goes right hand side, that ends with 4.9 only. From 0, if you subtract 4.9, or from 10, if you subtract 4.9, answer must end with 5.1. 9 cancellation. 9 5 times, 6 times. 5 cancellation. 33. 4 times of 56. Double double. Or otherwise reverse multiplication. 4 times of 50. 200. 4 times of 6. From that 3 times of 33. Instead of 99 you subtract 100, add 1. 135. Huh? Okay. Test chestunna, follow avutunnara leda? Minus x goes to right hand side. Right hand side 2 values comes left hand side and sign becomes reverse, right? 25%, 1/4. 1 1 2. From right hand side, if those 2 comes left hand side, which becomes positive? 17, correct? That means 129. From this negative number, 52. Answer 3 plus 3. Fraction 1 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Simplified 3 by, that means 6 3 by 4 only. 6 3 by 4 convert into mixed fraction to improper. 27, and after braces you have 4 by 27 by 9. Squaring on both sides. Right hand side 16. Left hand side first number 4 goes to right hand side. Minus 4, right? That is equal to x divided by 3 only. Then x in the sense this number multiplied by 3. 12 3s 25%, 1/4. Divided by 2 by 3 can be written as into 3 by 2. 30 times into 3. Minus x goes to right hand side number comes to left hand side, right? 80% in the sense subtracting 20%. What is 10%? Subtract. Right hand side 120 comes left hand side minus 120. Answer